Welcome back, guys. We are back at it. We are at backtesting gold. So, as the last video, we are going to choose a um, random date between December 2012 and December 2013. Now we are going to use the whole working week. Of course, we want the European style. So, here we go. So this one is the one we got the other time. 5th of August, 7th of May. This feels so much NFP-ish. Let's go with the 5th of August, 2013. 13 August. Oh, no, okay, it's a Monday, so is the not even. We already got NFP probably on the 2nd. So let me just do and start our usual simulation. Very good. We want the 1 minute. We want the 1 hour. And the daily to see where are we in the charts to get an idea of how where are we. Okay, so daily last in the last video we were, as you remember, let me just set up everything because I'm doing it live. Of course, I'm not preparing anything. So, okay. Let's move to London. Okay. The start of London. We want to see some more USD data. Very good, very good. Okay. So where are we? On the daily time frame. Okay, so we got respected our previous one. We were trading the 10th of April. So we were on here. We broke below the previous lows. You remember I was talking about these lows as being the safest place to sell. We got huge 2000 pips in a couple days. What happened? What happened in April 2013? For sure, some good news about tapering interest rates. XXX, as you can see, this is amazing. So you can see how it retested, respected the previous lows. Tack on the dot. We bounce, sort of double bottom, and now continuation up. Let's go on the hourly time frame. Where are we? Two, 1, 3. Yeah, we were trading around 15 something. Now we are 13 something. We are retesting it, as you can see. And now working below, we have this nice bullish structure that we are sort of breaking out of. This makes sense. Also, this one makes sense. Okay. And we go, of course, on the 1 minute. We go to the end and we use this one to see where are we. Okie dokie. So, as I thought, we should have had the NFP. There we go, on the 2nd of August, which was worse than expected, worse than previous. Unemployment rate slightly better. PCE higher, and some speaker. So, the 2nd of August. This is 1 minute, I don't care. There you go. Here we got our NFP. You see now, well, NFP is where there are big candles. This one, the 31st. I don't know what happened. So, as you can see, on the hourly time frame, we're in a bullish trend, and we were now reacting to these previous lows. As you can see here, which we will of course clone on the 1 minute. As you see, the reactions, not on the dot on the 1 minute, but it's okay. On the hourly is slightly better, and we saw the trend. This is a key level, not even a key level, this is a key level. This is the previous high, the previous low that now reacted as a high over here on the daily time frame, to then continuation down. But remember that we have this by sensitivity area on the left. So we go on the hourly time frame to see what intraday's actions ideas we can think of. We have ISM services expecting better than previous today, and we have tomorrow unemployment claims on Thursday, PPI, CPI next week. Okay, so let's just go with the flow. So we are reacting now. We broke, retesting these previous lows. So now what we want to see, if price breaks above, let me zoom in. Really sorry about that. So as intraday, as scalping, so our bias is still bearish. Why? Because as you can see on the daily time frame, we are still in a very, very, very bearish trend, due to the optimism brought by Fed about tapering, about interest rate hikes, and everything that we are talking about even today, nowadays. Now it's very bearish. We just had some bullish action due to NFP, like usual, 280 pips as usual, because it was really bad and worse than the prior. But we can, this is for now, this is our price sensitivity area, the lows of the other blocks. We want to see the reaction here. Of course, safer sells only below here, but we are 200 pips away, and we can consider some previous lows, intraday lows and highs. As you can see, support, resistance, melted through, and then support again, which is down here. So this is might be one of our price sensitivity area. If we go down below, we might sell below this level, or as well on the upside, really, if we stay above this level, if we break above these previous highs, we can consider buys as well. So let me just copy and paste also this one because it's not there. Can you please copy? 1336. Okay, so it's just very, very, very above. So let's see how this London moves. We are kind of clueless. NFP gave some bullish short-term momentum. We are retesting, and now we are in a keep resuming a bullish trend. Let's see the first hours of London, what brings to the table. And I want to stay on the hourly time frame. Zoom in. Let me just do that. And oof, not so fast. And we go. So we're making a lower wick on the hourly time frame. We made a upper wick. And now we continuation down. Let's see also the reaction at these previous lows. Okay, we are sort of failing to break above. So we might even consider sells, but there's no big momentum. We are coming towards Asian session close. And okay, we broke above 16 pips. Let's see the reaction at these previous highs on the minute time frame. The hourly is closed nice and bullish above the level. We want to see exactly a lower wick and then continuation up. What is this range? Is 11 pips, so safer buys only above these previous highs here, which we want to see on the 1 minute if they want to go over there, which is here already. Let me put it over here. For me, it's better. Let's go. So as you can see, we made the lower wick, and now let's see how it goes. If we get some nice bullish momentum, or we have a reaction, a rejection, and the previous highs again. We are retesting but breaking below those previous highs. Okay. Okay. This hourly candle is closing very strongly bearish, and it's closing bearish below the bodies, making already a top wick. Let's see if it goes in continuation down or up. Okay, let me just go and see on the 1 minute. Oh, okay, we broke below this level and we got like 20 pips out of it. Let's see if we have a retest of the. I don't want this trend line to be here, to be with you. I don't care about it. Okay, go away. Delete. Thank you. Let's see if this hourly candle closes below or even below these levels. Then we can take some sells in continuation down. Let's see if we get a retest of the lows or directly a break below this level. Coming towards an hour strong bearish hourly close. $30 pips on the downside. So we have some range to play with. Coming towards the end of the hour, we might expect, okay, in 30 seconds. Okay, new hourly candle starting already is making a lower wick, which we don't like it. We want a top wick to continuation down. Let's see. Okay, let's see on the hourly. We made just a small one. We consider taking sells below these lows if we have a nice setup with like 14, 10 pips to go at least to this level, some overshooting 30 pips. For now we are just ranging. Let's see if we have. We are creating a sort of wedge against this level. Okay, let's see now. This minute candle where it closes. Close with the body exactly at the previous lows, so no entry yet. Okay, so we got top wick. If we enter, we have 12 pips to 20 pips. And what do we have here? This is not great, I gotta say. Do we want to risk it for the biscuit? No, I don't. I don't like this small range. Very good. Here we would have lost. I wasn't putting 15 pips, I was putting 10 pips. We would have got stopped out. The start of the candle, 8 to 24, might be the good opportunity to go and revisit. So I want to try, as I told you, is like 8 pips. Not 80. Okay. And 24 pips of take profit. We're just risking a small amount, but at least we have range for 1 to 3. Let's see how it plays out. No good. Okay. Let's see, where are we? I think this is 1 to 1, right? Yes, yeah, 96, 99 pips in profit, so we don't take any action yet. Okay, we are coming toward the end of the hour. We stay calm. Oof, oof, okay. Nice. 20 pips is almost 3 to 1 by itself. We're going to take 85, 90% because we already take profit. 90%, and now we let the rest run risk-free. Want to see the reaction at this level, these previous lows, and we got our profit. TP it. Amazing. This was amazing, in my opinion. Was really just price action, market structure, and fundamental analysis of avoiding the re-entry here because of our take profit. There was no stop loss and the range was too small, but we managed to see a reaction, failure to break above, reclose below, and with 8 pips of stop loss, we had range 24, which is a 3 to 1 scalping range for our trade. So we took profit at 20 because it was really impulsive, and we were ready to take a hit. We didn't care. We didn't take profit at 10 because it was not part of the plan, but we did here. So if we want to recap, what we did here was, let me just do it properly. So, sorry, I'm really, really sorry. we identified a bearish trend here. Not this one, previous one. Okay, which connects more dots was better. We were identifying here a wedge being created, and we identified that the main bias was bearish. Buyers were not coming in strong. We avoided this nice tempting first breakout, breakdown, breakout, but